Hi! In front of me is SONY Xperia XZ2, and today I would like to show you how you can block app notifications on this device. Start by opening Settings. Now you need to choose Apps and Notifications, then Configure Notifications, and over here see All from last 7 days. Now tap on the search bar next to an app from which you want to block notifications from, like Send Anywhere. As you can see, all notifications from this app are now blocked. You can enable them by tapping on the same search bar, but you can also click on one of your apps and manage notifications from here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!